Hello, and welcome. If you're a senior seeking gentle, effective ways to support your health, you might be surprised to learn that two powerful remedies, apple cider vinegar and baking soda, are likely already in your kitchen. Today, we'll reveal how this simple combination can help tackle 11 common health issues, from joint pain to low energy. Let's dive in. Let's start with acid reflux, a problem that affects millions of people, especially seniors, every single day. If you've ever felt that burning sensation in your chest after a meal, or found yourself reaching for antacids late at night, you're definitely not alone. Acid reflux, also known as heartburn, can be uncomfortable, frustrating, and even impact your quality of life. For many older adults, it's a daily struggle that can make eating and sleeping difficult. Now, here's something surprising. Contrary to what most people think, acid reflux is often caused by too little stomach acid, not too much. That's right. While it might seem logical to blame excess acid, the real issue is frequently the opposite. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less stomach acid, which can lead to a host of digestive problems, including reflux. Here's how it works. When your stomach acid is too weak, it doesn't send a strong enough signal to the lower esophageal sphincter, the valve that separates your stomach from your esophagus. This valve is supposed to close tightly after you eat, keeping food and acid safely in your stomach. But when the acid is too weak, the valve stays open, allowing acid and partially digested food to flow back up into your esophagus. That's what causes the burning, discomfort, and sometimes even a sour taste in your mouth. So, what can you do about it? One simple natural remedy is apple cider vinegar. Just a small amount before meals can help restore your stomach's proper acidity. By increasing the acidity in your stomach, apple cider vinegar helps trigger the valve to close properly, keeping stomach contents where they belong and preventing that painful backflow. But if you find apple cider vinegar too harsh or sour to drink on its own, there's an easy fix. Mixing it with a little baking soda creates a buffered solution that's much gentler on your stomach and your taste buds. The baking soda neutralizes some of the acidity, making the drink smoother and easier to tolerate, while still allowing it to do its job. You'll notice a fizzing reaction when you mix the two. That's just the baking soda reacting with the vinegar, creating a mild, palatable solution. This bubbly drink is not only easy to sip, but it's also effective at supporting healthy digestion and soothing your system. Unlike over-the-counter antacids that only mask the symptoms, this natural mixture addresses the root cause of acid reflux by helping your body restore its natural balance. It supports the proper function of your digestive system so you can enjoy meals without fear of discomfort. With regular use, many people find real, lasting relief from acid reflux. Imagine being able to eat your favorite foods again, sleep soundly through the night, and enjoy life without that constant burning sensation. It's a simple, affordable solution that could make a big difference in your daily comfort and well-being. Joint pain is something that affects millions of people, especially as we age. It can start as a dull ache in the knees, hips, or hands, and gradually become a constant companion, making even simple movements uncomfortable. Stiffness and soreness can make daily life challenging, turning everyday activities like standing up from a chair, walking, or even reaching for something on a shelf into difficult tasks. This discomfort can lead to frustration and a loss of independence, impacting both physical and emotional well-being. One of the main culprits behind nagging joint pain is chronic inflammation, which can be triggered by an overly acidic environment in the body. When the body's pH is out of balance, it can lead to increased inflammation, swelling, and even the gradual breakdown of cartilage and bone tissue. Fortunately, there are natural remedies that can help. Apple cider vinegar, for example, contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds and beneficial enzymes. These help to calm joint pain, reduce swelling, and support the body's natural healing processes. Baking soda is another simple ingredient with big benefits. Its natural alkalinity helps to balance your body's pH, making it less acidic. This not only reduces inflammation but also helps prevent the loss of important minerals from your bones, which is crucial for maintaining strong, healthy joints. When used together, apple cider vinegar and baking soda create a powerful duo. They work hand in hand to fight inflammation, ease pain, and help preserve joint health, allowing you to move more freely and enjoy your favorite activities again. This dual action can significantly reduce swelling, restore mobility, and help you regain confidence in your movements. Imagine being able to walk upstairs, garden, or play with your grandchildren without hesitation or discomfort. Best of all, this approach is simple and natural. By preparing a daily health drink with apple cider vinegar and baking soda, you can support your joints from the inside out, without relying on harsh medications or expensive treatments. Remember, consistency is key. Making this remedy a part of your daily routine can lead to lasting improvements in joint comfort and flexibility, helping you stay active and independent for years to come. Stable blood sugar is vital for long-term health. Apple cider vinegar's acetic acid slows the breakdown of starches, preventing sharp blood sugar spikes. This means steadier energy and less strain on your pancreas. Baking soda makes the mixture easier to take regularly, supporting consistent results. Over time, this can improve insulin sensitivity and help manage energy crashes. It's a practical tool for supporting healthy blood sugar. Use before meals for best effect. Weight management is about health, not just appearance. Apple cider vinegar helps you feel full longer by slowing stomach emptying. This can naturally reduce calorie intake and curb snacking. Improved digestion from this mixture also helps your body use protein efficiently, supporting muscle and metabolism. Baking soda makes daily use easy. Combined with healthy habits, this remedy can support your weight goals. It's a simple addition to your routine. Many people, especially as they age, experience digestive discomfort such as gas, bloating, or a heavy feeling after meals. These symptoms are not just inconvenient, they can be signs that your stomach isn't producing enough acid to properly break down food. Low stomach acid can lead to undigested food sitting in your gut, causing fermentation, gas, and discomfort. One simple and natural remedy is apple cider vinegar. Just a small amount before meals can help restore your stomach's natural acidity. This increased acidity not only helps sterilize the food you eat, killing off unwanted bacteria, but also assists in breaking down proteins more efficiently, making digestion smoother and more effective. To make this remedy even gentler on your stomach, you can add a pinch of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a buffer, ensuring the solution is effective without being too harsh, especially for those with sensitive stomachs. This combination helps reduce the amount of undigested food in your digestive tract, which in turn minimizes gas production and eases uncomfortable bloating. Over time, you'll notice less heaviness and more comfort after eating. Proper stomach acidity is also crucial for signaling your pancreas and gallbladder to release digestive enzymes and bile. These substances are essential for breaking down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, ensuring your body absorbs the nutrients it needs for energy and health. The result is a noticeable improvement in digestion, better nutrient absorption, and a greater sense of comfort after meals. You'll likely find yourself enjoying food more and worrying less about digestive issues. Incorporating a small daily dose of apple cider vinegar into your routine can make a significant difference. It's a simple habit that supports your digestive system and overall well-being. With improved digestion, you can look forward to sharing meals with friends and family, savoring your favorite foods, and feeling your best, without the uncomfortable after effects that once held you back. Persistent fatigue can stem from poor pH balance and digestion. Baking soda helps neutralize excess acid, reducing metabolic strain. Apple cider vinegar improves nutrient absorption, fueling your cells. Together, they free up energy and enhance vitality. You'll notice more sustained energy and mental clarity. It's a natural way to recharge your body. Try it daily for a noticeable boost. Detoxification is your body's daily job, not a fad. Apple cider vinegar supports liver function and bile flow, helping clear toxins. Its malic acid and minerals aid the lymphatic system, improving waste removal. Baking soda eases the acid load on your kidneys, supporting filtration. This mixture gently assists your body's natural detox pathways. No harsh cleanses, just daily support. Feel lighter and more refreshed. Let your body do what it does best. Sore throats are common and uncomfortable. Gargling with the diluted apple cider vinegar and baking soda solution kills germs and soothes irritation. The vinegar's antibacterial action tackles pathogens, while baking soda calms inflammation. Warm water adds comfort and helps healing. This simple remedy eases pain and scratchiness fast. Use as needed for quick relief. It's a time-tested, natural solution. Healthy skin starts from within. This mixture improves digestion and nutrient absorption, fueling your skin with vitamins and minerals. Supporting liver and kidney detox reduces skin breakouts and inflammation. Apple cider vinegar's anti-inflammatory effects calm redness and irritation. Balanced internal pH can lead to a clearer complexion. Some use diluted vinegar as a toner, but internal use is key. Consistent use supports lasting skin health. Glow from the inside out. A strong immune system is your best defense. Apple cider vinegar provides probiotics that support gut health, where most of your immune system resides. Baking soda makes regular intake easy, helping maintain a healthy gut environment. Detox support frees your immune system to fight infections. Antioxidants and acetic acid add extra protection. This daily tonic builds resilience naturally. Stay well, year-round. Bad breath often starts in the gut, not the mouth. Poor digestion leads to smelly gases that rise up and cause halitosis. This mixture restores stomach acidity, stopping odor at the source. It can also be used as a mouth rinse for immediate freshness. Apple cider vinegar kills odor-causing bacteria. Baking soda neutralizes acids. You get both instant and lasting relief. No more masking. Address the root cause. Enjoy true lasting freshness. We've explored 11 ways this simple remedy can support your health. Remember, always consult your doctor before starting any new routine. If you found this helpful, share it with others and subscribe for more practical health tips. Your safety and well-being come first. Thank you for watching. Here's to your health.